I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river stinks too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's real and you're one of us. My darling, in fire. My darling, rose in fire. You're a liar. You say, my darling, rose in fire. In fire. You say, my darling, rose in fire. You're a liar. Shivers my spine so cold, so swimming in the rivers, swimming in the rivers. I'm trying to let go of us, but the what's real and you're one of something in my eyes. I cannot see your lies. You think that I'm surprised. Fall back into your trap. Send me your eyes. Don't you think it's time for something else? I asked for something more. You gave me so much less. I wonder why I stayed. Get me out of love, yeah, call me when you want. Just shut on my door, yeah, nowhere left to go. I just need to stay alone, yeah, need to stay alone. I've been on my own, yeah, I've been on my own. I know, you know, I changed a lot. The sunshine on my eyes. It's been so goddamn cold tonight. You better call me up. Whenever you're gone, I can change a lot. I don't need the shots if you're so alive, but I need you now, yeah, I need you. You better call me up. Whenever you're gone, I so goddamn cold tonight. You better call me up. Whenever you're gone, I can change a lot. I don't need the shot to feel so alive, but I need you now, yeah, I need you. You better call me up. Whenever you're gone, I can change a lot. I don't need the shot to feel so alive, but I need you now, yeah, I need you. I don't need to show up, waiting for the right time, baby, you don't know how. I'm trying to space now. You got me feeling this now. You paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah. You paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come my way? Yeah.
I think I might get bored. It's like we met before. I always get ignored, I don't exist. I'm sick. It's alright, I'm fine, I'm just passing the time. I need you in my life, when I'm with you I can't move, it feels like I'm losing my mind. I kinda like it.
In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come my way? Yeah. I don't know how to feel when you wake me up at night. It's only you and I. Yeah, it's only you and I. I'm lost and I'm found, yeah. I feel like October. I just need some peace of mind. I don't need to be sober for us to be lovers. I don't wanna love anybody like that. I just wanna feel your body like that and tell you things that gon' feel like, yeah. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, what can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come my way? Maybe I just need some space while I'm trying to find my place in this world. In this world. Broken home and tired eyes, never chasing for new highs anymore. I don't think I can pave the way with only dreams of yesterday. I realize we're nothing more than just a memory. How can you be understood when you cannot understand anymore? Feeling it over the line never helps you doing fine anyway. I'll Try to keep it casual, but I'm still staring at the wall. I've let it all slide on my own. Maybe I've finally grown. Don't wanna look the other way when everything around is great. Maybe we'll meet again someday. I know we'll meet again someday. I realize
like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that I'm enough. Let me be the one for you.
It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a